Okay, so example 2 is all about being able to apply the same property, but when we have roots that are not simply the square root like we've had for the previous two. So for example, if I have the cube root, or the third root of x plus 6 equals 3, I'm not going to be squaring both sides of the equation because I want to cancel out with the third root. I'm going to be taking these to the third power in order to cancel out with the third root. And so what that means is that since the radicals canceled out, I have just x plus 6 over here, but then I need to take 3 to the third power rather than 3 squared. So 3 to the third power is 27. So that gives me x plus 6 equals 27. Once again, these equations are not super difficult to solve once we've got them. So we have x plus 6, we would subtract 6 from both sides in order to cancel out with the plus 6. And that gives me x equals 27 minus 6 is 21. For the next one, it looks like we also have the cube root. So that root is going to tell us what power we're going to be using. For the cube root of x minus 4, I can cancel that out by cubing it, or taking it to the third power. And so that's going to cancel out with the radical, giving me x minus 4 equals 2 cubed, or 2 to the third power, which is 8. Solve this equation by adding 4 to both sides, and that gives me x equals 12. And that is all for example 2.